when one goes through the cancer plan as it's presented, one will see that all the parts of it are equally important. But prevention is where we can make the really big difference, because I have said that we know that 40% of cancer cases in the EU are preventable. And this is science. Or at least they can be attributed to preventable causes, so as to be more specific. So we do have a huge scope of action, and it is something that we really need to invest on. It is much more effective than care, and we need to really address the issues that have to do with health, with tobacco, as the Vice President said, and with harmful alcohol consumption. So we will be working through with the citizens, with the member states, in order to be able to, first of all, make citizens aware. And one piece of information that came out of the discussions we've had with stakeholders was that a large part of the population isn't aware of the European Code Against Cancer. So that's a target we put in, that 80% of the European population by 2023 needs to know, or 2025 needs to know about the European Code Against Cancer. And we will be having an EU mobile app for cancer prevention, which will be funded under EU for Health, in order to offer information. And this is the way we will move, giving the consumers and the citizens correct information on how they can live healthier lifestyles and avoid factors or variables that can impact on their cancer risk. I won't go into details for the alcohol and the tobacco, because I think that this has already been answered also by Vice President Schinas.
Well, on tobacco, I think we answered in detail. I don't mind giving some more detail on alcohol. First, let me tell you, I don't know where you read and what exactly you read and who said what, but as a defender, or rather as a promoter of a European way of life, certainly the European Union will not ban wine, and we will not label wine as being something that is toxic. This will not happen. This is part of who we are. Since the very antiquity, wine has been part of our way of life. But let me take you through alcohol promotion in general, because there are certain myths that are circulating. The EU does not promote alcohol as such, but does participate in an effort to support the competitiveness of our agri-food sector. And in terms of alcohol, eligible products for promotion are limited only to spirit links or wines linked to the specific registry of geographical indication under our EU quality schemes, and wine carrying an indication of the grape variety. So this is very targeted. And of course, we are undertaking now in the overall framework of our green transition and sustainable food, a review of the promotion policy for agricultural products with a view to enhance its contribution to sustainable production and consumption. And of course, we will look into all these issues in the framework of this review.